video, FX option trading video, and you see I have chosen here the USD cut chart, yes, and I see here ranging market around the 200 EMA, yes, and after I saw this kind of fake breakout, I entered a few minutes ago. Yes, let me show you when it was, 1 minute ago or something like this. Let me see. Yes, here 5 minutes. It's really 1 minute because yes, you see 1 minute ago I entered here into a put. Yes, and then the problem here was that my recording software crashed. Yes, and so I had to start again. But as you have seen, the entry was 1 minute ago. I have seen this kind of ranging market, this fake breakout, and now I'm expecting that price will range around the 200 EMA, and then I choose the farthest strike price here, yes, and then I entered in the put, yes, expecting that we are getting here some kind of reversal. So, and that is this. We are close to the profit, yes. That is also important. And yes, and that was already all my trades and everything what I'm doing is based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description we'll find also the link to the Facebook group. So yes, this will be, yes, at the moment it's really close to the entry point, yes, yes, I'm not expecting that price will move immediately in my direction, but I'm expecting that price will go down at the end of the expiration time of this FX option, yes. So let's see what's happening. We are here in a small uptrend, but this is more ranging than uptrend. You see we have here support and resistance levels. Here, yes, here we have some more support and resistance levels, and I'm expecting that price will reverse from here and then going down, because price already down to touch the, here we got a pullback here from the 50 EMA, and so I'm expecting that price will do the same again, yes, and that would be already good profit then, yes, in this short time, yes, of 1 hour. Okay, so I would say I'm back as soon that there will happen something, because it will be a little bit of annoying watching what's happening here. The video would be also too long, yes, and I will come back as soon as there is some change, yes, and yes, and I would take some action, yes, but at the moment there's not looking that there will be some action at the moment, because we have here, like I told you before, ranging market, and we need a sharp movement downwards against those EMAs. There's a reversal because we have here an uptrend, yes, and this looks here like this. Look at this. So when I do here a trend line, yes, when I do here a trend line, you see price will most probably going against it, yes, and here we have the 1 hour, so we get here nice profit. I would say so 15%, yes, something like this, 15% in 1 hour, yes, on FX option is not so bad, yes. You cannot compare this with binary options, yes, where you can do much more, waiting for a good opportunity. But it's not bad to do this, because the spread is always so big, yes, that you have to be really careful when you enter in some kind of trades, because it takes sometimes so long that you get profit that the expiration time already passed by and you get minus, yes, you get out of the trade without any profit, and you paid for it also, yes, because the spread is almost so big. Yes, okay, I would say that was it. I will come back in a few minutes when there will change something, and I have some to explain something. I can do some analysis also on higher time frame. Let me see. So this one is showing me here nice engulfing candle, which would confirm exactly that what I'm expecting. Engulfing candle, downtrend. Yes, that is what I have explained also in the ebook. And I'm applying only those kind of concepts which I have explained in the ebook also on FX option, because they are valid for everyone, for every kind of concept. And I have chosen this kind of ranging market because all other assets were some kind of ranging too, but not like this one. Yes, I have seen this 200 EMA, which is flat, which provides huge candles then. Yes, that is what I expect here, huge candles, which takes the price really fast into profit. And almost, because we are on one side of this, I'm expecting that we are going through this also of the other side, and so that would be nice profit too. So okay, you see we are already 10% in profit. I will come back to you as soon that there is some change, and yes, that's it for the moment. Okay, I'm back. You see, we are already in 65% profit. Yes, the profit after sale is still in minus. Yes, so there is no way out at the moment. But you see, we crossed the 200 EMA like I was, or like I have expected. Yes, obviously, I'm expecting now, because we have ranging markets, that we get here a retracement. Yes, of this huge downtrend. A retracement in form of a weak candle, and then maybe we continuing this kind of downtrend. We have another 2 candles. Yes, that means 2 another 15-minute candles, and I will come back in 15 minutes when the next candle is formed. Yes, and it looks really nice. You see, immediately in profit. That is how a FX option should go. Yes, immediately in profit, and then you let the profit run, because you have no other way on FX options. Yes, because you see they have the profit after sale, the PL, will be almost negative. Yes, as long you don't break any kind of strong support and resistance level, which they have in their mind. Yes, and so it's not so easy. But we have ranging market. The problem is here, you see here the DNA crossing. That's what I have explained in the ebook. Yes, in detail, and you have seen I have applied exactly this kind of concept which I have explained in the ebook in this kind of FX option trade. And I'm not expecting, we are now below the EMAs. Yes, that means we are here below all EMAs, so I'm expecting that this candle will touch this level here, the 100 EMA. That is what I'm expecting. Yes, and then after this, most probably price will continue to going down and then doing a downtrend. Yes, that is what I'm expecting. Yes, but everything else could happen too. But we are not going to break through the 200 EMA again in the near future. Yes, so that would be this kind of target here, which will not be broken. Yes, this one here, the 200 EMA will not be broken. So I will have at least 30% profit. Yes, that is this one. This is why I have chosen this kind of ranging market. Yes, and I understood from this fake breakout. I will repeat this again. Fake breakout. I will show you this also. 1 second. So I will show you this also here. Yes, fake breakout. This kind of fake breakout here in form of evening star. Yes, this fake breakout. You see here, fake breakout. Here's the support and resistance level. Here, let me show you this. And that was exactly that what I have seen immediately. Yes, strong support and resistance level, fake breakout, flat 200 EMA, nice reversal, close to the Bollinger edges. Yes, like I have explained here. Let me show you this in the ebook here, where I have shown you this here. Yes, again and again here, EMA. Yes, ranging, DNA crossing, ranging at the edges. Yes, at the edges where the Bollinger Band is. Yes, and that is how you have to trade this. And that is what I'm telling you all the time. Yes, here also, if you are there, try to get above the ranging. Yes, and to doing fake breakout trades. Yes, you see here fake breakout trades, fake breakout trades. Yes, and that is what I'm doing here. And you can do this not only for binary option, you can apply those kind of things also for FX